Konnichiwa.
こんにちは。
英語できますか?
英語は難しい。
Yeah?
そうだね。
No English for you guys. No.
So here in Japan, we caught an Uber. But unlike in Australia, our Uber driver, he's nicely presented. He's in a suit. And if you're from Australia, you might understand what I'm trying to say. And the car, it's impeccable.
Nice leather seats.
Everyone's quiet and happy. And our Uber driver doesn't smell like he's just delivered a lot of food. So normally I would try and tell you what bridge we just went over, but my chief navigator, he didn't know. So we're going to say that that is the Tokyo Bay Bridge. And then later I'm going to try and find out. Or if you know, leave us a comment.
Grand Nikko.
Thank you.
No worries. Thank you. Arigato gozaimasu. Very nice. Oh, it's nice and warm in here too. Konnichiwa. The Rainbow Lounge for Shane. What do we got? Oh, liver, olives, pickles, some sauces, veggies. Fruit. Oh, they're big nuts. Glass there. Push the beer button. Nice. Ooh, I was a bit early. Cheers. Very good.
We'll stand and do a 360 and send it to Mum.
Oh, something that's hot. So far this morning what we have found is all these beautiful serving things of what you would call hot food. It's all cold. It's meant to be hot, but it's not. Like the bacon, sausages, eggs, all stone cold. Choices of breads. I guess if you get me a toast, that'll be hot. But if you want really hot food, you can get yourself a hamburger. Look, hamburger.
野菜、チーズと野菜。
またチーズ野菜一つです。
Typical coffee machines, fresh juices. Pasta with meat sauce. Cheerios. Hamburger steaks. Chicken nuggets. I guarantee you they're stone cold. French fries. Guaranteed. Stone cold. Huh. See, don't do all the complaining, Scotty. They got you cold. I'll have one of them. Array of teas, some nice cups. Another coffee serving station. This is chicken. You can get the crepes made your way. Tofu, nice and hot. Oh, we're in the seafood section now. Baked chicken. Stir fry noodles. Now I'm going to be honest, these are warm, I can feel it. Japanese omelette. Pork belly. And then a giant tray of noodles. Ah, they're cold, they've got ice on them. Pop in for a bite to eat, or a coffee. Coffee's included. Soft drinks. Hot pancakes.
Yes, pancake.
Oh, very good. We also have some dishes. Orange pound cake. Biscuits. They're good. And these biscuits, they contain alcohol. Very nice. So this is part of the hotel package. It's like upstairs. It's like a little VIP room, if you want to call it. There's 2 VIP rooms. We're in the second room. But before I go back, I'm just going to get myself a biscuit. There. Because they're alcoholic, I might just have a second one. Oop. Put it back, we're in Japan. Have a look at the view. Quick look. Camera probably doesn't pick it up, but in the distance there's the bridge. Toy Story Hotel over there and the Hilton. Very nice. Laundry set?
You could pay for the coat.
Pay for the call.
Just want to have a look.
Just want to have a look. Gym. Oh, it's nice. Oh, I bet it's warm.
I didn't bring any.
It's fine.
How good's that?
No, it's not.
Huh.
Because I've seen a big staircase, you've got to walk down and get to it.
That's excellent. It's the Grand Nikko pool. Surprises. It's quite good. Ah, laundry.
Oh, brings back memories, Shane.
Look at the washing machines. They're funny little washing machines.
Do you know what? Just
Yeah. Do a bit of Disney shopping at the hotel. Oh, they're quite good. Got the first gift shop, not the last one. It's the first one. Wow. Oh, Tokyo banana. Oh, Tokyo banana and Kit Kat. Massive coffee vendor. Oh, when you go to breakfast, you can come across here and get you can heat your breakfast up. Having a shop in the hotel that sells everything from food to toiletries to drinks, even alcohol, when you actually travel, it's actually so good when it's actually inside of the hotel. Really great idea. Now, we've stayed here a few nights. We've got a few things to cover about this hotel. So we've got a nice long wall where they move furniture around for the beds. You get a seating couch, table and chairs. You always get your TV, obviously. Now, if you can speak Japanese or read it, you'll be able to work the TV, but without it, next to impossible. They have heating, no cooling, and the heating, it's a nightmare. Even with Translate, it still doesn't work. You have an entry foyer that you come into. Then you got your own separate little room in the entry foyer. Look at this. Whoa, nice and freaky. Then, as you turn around, you get a mirror and you get your toilet with all the fancy electronics. Nothing to pick on in there. So, you get a great view of the ocean. We can go outside. The view to the ocean. That's worth it. Looking back at the Hilton Hotel and Toy Story Hotel. As we come back in, you got your kettle, your coffee machine, your coffee pods. You got a drawer with all your cups. They're nice. Tea provided. There's a mini bar fridge under here. A little stool. They all have these. They're like an ionizer. It eats all the dust and you can have water or vapor through it. You got a bathtub. Bathtub's all right. It has a shower above it. Nice view from your bath as well. Great big sink. Nothing fancy. They have a little stool for kids. If you're here with kids, you get your hairdryer and you get a second shower. So there's a shower in here. Like I said, there's a shower above the bathtub as well. So the big one is the bed. Now, I always do a bed test and I actually really don't want to do it because the beds they're horrible. They are so rock hard. I know I don't mean a little hard, I mean rock hard. They're bad. They're that bad. So we will do the bed test because I always do one. It's horrible. And then the pillows. Again, absolutely horrible. And I did go downstairs and ask for some more pillows and no one turned up from room service. They have bags of like wheat inside these pillows. They are the worst pillows we've ever had. Absolutely the worst beds and pillows ever. So that's a little bit of the room. But if you can get beyond the horrible night's sleep on the bed, the horrible pillows, the cold breakfast, the air conditioning system that doesn't cool, it supposedly heats but does not. Brilliant. Stay here.
So the good, bad and the ugly about the hotel. The Grand Nikko is not a Disney or a Disney affiliated hotel. So that does mean that you have to catch this monorail, which costs money, to and from your hotel. Even though our hotel was right next to one of the entrances in the park, unless you're staying at a Disney or a Disney affiliated hotel, you cannot enter the park or exit the park. Even on an extremely rainy day, you must go all the way back around, 20-minute walk to the exit and catch your monorail back to your hotel. So that's the bad bit, because I kind of think Disney could do better there. But I understand they're making money by making us go on the monorail. And now the good bit is, this monorail is fantastic. It's great. During the day it was nice. At night, even better. Would I stay at the Grand Nikko again? Unfortunately, this hotel is the first hotel I'm ever going to say that I really don't want to stay there again. The beds were not my favourite. The pillows definitely not my favourite. And the breakfast, well, I think they put it on ice, is the best way to put it. We went there 3 days in the morning and 3 days in a row. You bet it, that breakfast, anything that should be hot, was not hot. It was cold. So it's not like we got it wrong on one day. 3 days in a row? I'm sorry, but the breakfast was cold. Now some things were hot, and I did point that out in my video that some things were definitely hot, but unfortunately there was more cold food that should have been hot that was cold. Now if you go order some of the food that is hot, like they make it for you, of course it's going to be hot. So don't take my little bit of negative on that as a bad bit. The rooms are massive. They're the biggest hotel rooms that we stayed at while we were in Japan. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.